Hey everyone, Billy here. On this video, I'm just gonna cook a very good salmon sandwich on fire. A bit of butter. There we go. Ah man, that goes fast. The bread on the side. There we go. Oh, perfect. There we go. That looks great. Perfect. The bread is done. Oh, I love it. And I just added some spruce needle. It's hot up to the taste. It's good. Woohoo! That was very close. Just think, you know, oh, it's winter time, you know, the snow underneath just melt and it's been there for about, let's say, an hour and a half. So I'm very glad it was on the side and my cooking was done. Woo! Otherwise the salmon would have been at the bottom. I love cooking outside. I would like everyone to wish you a happy new year, an awesome 2023, happiness, health, and well, adventure in the woods if you can. Already! Ooh! Oh, almost lost my bread. Okay. A bit of mayonnaise, because I really like it with mayonnaise. Perfect. Ah, look at this, everyone. Oh. There we go. It's so easy and it's so good. There we go. And that's it. This is what I call a real sandwich. Salmon sandwich. Easy to do. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Just a light taste of smoke is just great. Next video, it will be Mike and Billy in the woods at the cottage in the nature. It will be great, you'll see. And thanks a lot for my sponsor, Prentice Soto. Check out all the cooking utensils down below and the spices. Ooh, barbecue spices, they're very good. Hey, see you next time. Live your passion, live the adventure. Woo! And enjoy your sandwich.